optimize your videos. Okay, optimize your videos. You are indirectly telling YouTube that you know what you are doing, and YouTube what you post your content to the right audience. Don't make your video to be blur. You understand? For you to get engagement. The reason I'm saying that I've battled with this thing for 2 years. You understand? YouTube only works on consistency. People that another day with Big Joe. In this video, I'm not going to talk about AI videos. I'm going to talk about monetization on this video specifically. Okay, so if you see me for the first time, please like and subscribe. Okay, so why am I saying this is because I find out that most people are having issue with engagement on their YouTube channel. If you are this kind of person that is having engagement issue on your YouTube channel or on your videos rather, listen to this video. For you to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Hope you are aware of that. Now, if you have met all these criteria and still yet you are battling with views, you are battling with all these things. So let me tell you one thing. If YouTube have give you monetization tools for you to monetize, do what? Go and click on the money. Undermine that you don't need to get views, because YouTube pays in dollars. You understand? So for instance, now you're afraid of if I monetize this channel, I won't be getting money quickly. One thing YouTube does is that if they give you monetization tools and you refuse to monetize your YouTube channel, they will take it back, and only God know when they will give you that monetization tools back. So it's better for you to click on the monetization tools and set it up. Even if you have not set up your payout, because that is a different thing, just accept the monetization program. Okay, now while you are doing that, you are indirectly telling YouTube that you are interested in their revenue. Okay, so this one will serve as a, because most people, they used to ask that question. Imagine you are posting videos, you are getting 10 view, 20 view, 30 view, 100 views. You'll be getting cents. I hope you know what is called cents. You'll be getting cents on those videos, not dollars, because it's too many figures of cents that some people actually have left their channel because of why? Lack of views. And if you are this kind of person that have left your channel over a long period of time, you haven't visited your channel because of what? Lack of engagement. I'm going to be giving you these short tips about how YouTube works. YouTube only works on consistency. People that are consistent. Imagine you are making 2 videos in a day. Let me just say rather 1 video in a day. You are posting 6 times inside a week. YouTube will recommend your video fast, and what you are making videos that are clear, that are sharp. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Videos that the quality is high, even if it's not up to 4K resolution, it should be what is it called? Wait, I've forgotten, but it should be on this range, either 4K or something. I've forgotten the resolution that is called. So don't make your video to be blur. You understand? For you to get engagement. The reason I'm saying that I've battled with this thing for 2 years. You understand? So use a quality camera and make use of your hashtag. Optimize your videos. Okay? Optimize your videos. You are indirectly telling YouTube that you know what you are doing, and YouTube you post your content to the right audience. I hope you're understanding me. So why am I saying this? All this thing I'm explaining, I've gone through the process. I know of all these things. All these things I've come encounter of it, and I've met people, and I've watched tutorial video that have talked about this. I'm still talking about. So I'm actually still repeating myself of what they have said so far. So at this point, if you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share. My name is Big Joe.